By the end of the video, we'll know about common workout pitfalls, how to stay on track for success. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of workout pitfalls and how to avoid them. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a fitter, healthier you. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Firstly, overtraining is a common pitfall. Our bodies need recovery time to repair and adapt. Stick to your rest days and listen to your body. It's not a race, but a marathon. Secondly, poor nutrition can hinder your progress. Aim for balanced meals with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Remember, you are what you eat. Thirdly, inconsistency can be your worst enemy. Set goals and create a routine. Stick to. Consistency builds discipline and momentum. Lastly, forgetting to warm up and cool down can lead to injuries. Always take the time to prepare your body for exercise and cool down properly after each session. Your joints will thank you. So there you have it. Stay on track by avoiding these common workout pitfalls and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Stay fit and stay healthy.